Russia has offered India the Su-34 fighter bomber, a multi-role tactical aircraft specifically engineered to conduct deep strike missions with high precision and endurance. The Su-34 is a twin-engine, twin-seat platform designed to engage critical targets far behind enemy lines while maintaining crew survivability and operational flexibility in contested environments. This aircraft represents a significant capability in terms of payload capacity, advanced avionics, and electronic warfare systems, making it well-suited for missions that demand both accuracy and resilience. The Su-34's airframe includes a heavily armored cockpit, which provides enhanced protection for the pilot and weapons systems officer against battlefield threats, including small arms fire and missile fragments. This feature distinguishes it from many other strike aircraft that prioritize agility over crew protection. Additionally, the aircraft incorporates redundant flight control systems to ensure operational continuity even if certain critical components are damaged during combat. The avionics suite features a modern phased array radar capable of simultaneously tracking multiple ground and air targets, sophisticated infrared targeting sensors, and an integrated electronic countermeasures system designed to disrupt enemy radar and missile guidance. These capabilities collectively enable the Su-34 to perform complex attack missions while defending itself against hostile air defenses. Russia's offer to India emphasizes the Su-34's compatibility with India's existing combat fleet and the potential for it to fill operational gaps, particularly in the area of deep strike and interdiction. Russian narratives underscore the aircraft's range, payload versatility, and electronic warfare capabilities as strong selling points. Furthermore, the offer highlights the potential for synergistic operations with platforms already operated by India, which could facilitate logistics, maintenance, and pilot training efficiencies. Russia positions the Su-34 as a relatively cost-effective option that could be quickly integrated into India's defense structure, addressing immediate operational needs without waiting for longer-term indigenous programs to come to fruition. India's defense procurement process is highly deliberate and multifaceted, encompassing not only an evaluation of an aircraft's immediate combat capabilities but also broader considerations such as technology transfer, local production potential, life cycle sustainability, and strategic alignment. Historically, India has shown a strong preference for acquisitions that advance its technological self-reliance and support its domestic defense industry. This cautious and comprehensive approach ensures that new platforms do not merely fulfill short-term tactical requirements but contribute to India's long-term strategic and industrial objectives. Operational performance of the Su-34 in recent conflict zones has influenced perceptions of its suitability. The aircraft has been actively deployed in contested environments where it has faced sophisticated integrated air defense systems and precision strike weapons. Several reports indicate that the Su-34 has suffered significant losses, with numerous aircraft destroyed or heavily damaged during combat operations. These losses are attributed, in part, to the aircraft's relatively modest speed and maneuverability compared to more agile combat aircraft, which affects its survivability in high-threat environments. Such operational realities are important for India's evaluation, given the complex security challenges it faces and the need for platforms that can operate effectively in contested airspace. India's defense modernization strategy prioritizes indigenous technological development and operational independence. This policy drives efforts to develop homegrown defense technologies, systems integration capabilities, and manufacturing proficiency. Accordingly, any foreign platform must be assessed for its ability to integrate with India's indigenous technologies and the extent to which it enables local production, upgrades, and sustainment. The degree to which the Su-34 can be adapted to fit within this framework will heavily influence India's decision-making process. Maintenance, logistics, and sustainment are critical factors in India's evaluation. The introduction of a new aircraft type requires the establishment of comprehensive support infrastructure, including supply chains for spare parts, training programs for technical personnel, and maintenance facilities. The long-term operational costs associated with these factors must be balanced against budgetary constraints and strategic priorities. India must be confident that it can maintain a high operational readiness rate for the Su-34 over its expected service life without undue reliance on external suppliers. Geopolitical considerations also play a significant role. India pursues a diversified procurement strategy to maintain strategic autonomy and avoid over-dependence on any single foreign supplier. The decision to acquire the Su-34 is therefore influenced not only by operational and technical factors but also by India's broader geopolitical calculus, which involves balancing relations with multiple defense partners and navigating an increasingly complex international security environment. The Su-34 fighter bomber offers advanced capabilities in long-range strike, crew protection, and electronic warfare, positioning it as a potentially valuable asset for India's operational needs. However, operational challenges observed in conflict zones, particularly regarding survivability in contested airspace, present significant concerns. When combined with India's emphasis on indigenous technology development, logistical sustainability, and strategic diversification, these factors result in a careful and comprehensive evaluation process. India's current silence regarding the Su-34 likely reflects ongoing deliberations that consider not just immediate tactical gains but also long-term strategic, technological, and operational goals, ensuring that any decision supports India's comprehensive national defense objectives.